Welcome, I'm Snell, and this is my presentation on instructional design models for EPSY 8639. I've chosen three models, the 5E, backward design, and the Danielson framework for teaching, to briefly review. There have been multiple updated iterations of each. But first, let's consider the nature of instructional design itself. To be considered as what is taught, how, and why. This then aligns with the purpose, values, and assessment of the information covered. First up, this model, dating from America's initial urbanization, was designed to produce factory workers. It's known as direct instruction and focuses on the recall and application of facts. This is what many people recall when thinking of their wonder years experience as adolescents. This next model, the 5E, actually considers how the brain recognizes and processes facts. It is favored within the growing STEM community that relies on projects in real-world contexts, because it allows for several 5 to 15-minute activities within the attention span of typical students today. Lastly, backward design, also known as understanding by design or teaching for understanding, emphasizes understanding, of course, and what students are doing more so than the instructional delivery of content by the teacher. It also utilizes response to intervention and universal design for learning concepts. Therefore, it is more flexible than either of the two previously discussed models. Okay. Meaningful learning in a safe, engaging environment should be the ultimate goal of any instructional design method. With that in mind, the teacher has to be aware of the strengths and limitations of their own style, as well as of each model considered. The teacher must also consider preferences of the principal and or the district in which they teach. As far as similarities within the models, each is common and has been proven effective when used by skilled teachers. But the first differentiated instruction is a much older model, whereas backward design takes a big picture approach in terms of covering entire curriculum units. The 5E is mainly applied for science and math, but its effectiveness is largely unproven because it hasn't been researched thoroughly just yet. But in the future, it may prove that 5E is even better than currently thought. Resources for this project are listed here.